Ethics in social science research is a critical aspect that ensures the protection, respect, and well-being of the individuals and communities involved in the research process. Social scientists must follow ethical guidelines and principles to maintain the trust of participants, uphold the integrity of the research, and avoid any potential harm to those involved. Here are some key ethical considerations in social science research. Informed consent. Researchers must obtain informed consent from all participants before involving them in the study. Informed consent means that participants have been fully informed about the research's purpose, procedures, potential risks, and benefits, and have voluntarily agreed to participate without any coercion. Confidentiality and anonymity. Researchers should protect the privacy and confidentiality of participants. Personal information should be kept secure, and participants' identities should be anonymized whenever possible to prevent any potential harm or negative consequences. Beneficence. Researchers must ensure that the research benefits outweigh the potential risks for participants and society as a whole. The well-being of participants should be a primary concern, and researchers should minimize any potential harm. Non-maleficence. Researchers should strive to do no harm to participants. They must carefully assess any potential risks and take steps to minimize them. If harm occurs, they are responsible for addressing it promptly. Fair selection of participants. The selection of participants should be fair and should not discriminate against any particular group based on race, gender, ethnicity, religion, or other factors. Researchers should aim to include diverse and representative samples in their studies. Research misconduct. Researchers must adhere to high standards of integrity and avoid any form of research misconduct, such as data fabrication, falsification, or plagiarism. Debriefing. After the research is completed, participants should be provided with a debriefing session. This involves informing them about the true nature of the study, addressing any misconceptions, and giving them an opportunity to ask questions. Institutional Review Board, IRB, approval. Many research institutions have IRBs or ethics committees that review and approve research proposals involving human participants. Researchers should seek and obtain appropriate ethical approval before commencing their studies. Transparency. Researchers should be transparent about their methods, data collection, and analysis processes. Clear reporting helps ensure the research can be replicated and validated by others. Conflict of interest. Researchers must disclose any potential conflicts of interest that could influence the research's objectivity or outcomes. In upholding ethical principles, we can unravel the tapestry of knowledge with integrity and compassion, leaving a lasting impact on both science and society.